Hello everyone, I am Rashid Khan, your science teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar. And now, as you know, the class 7, here your chapter number 7 already has started, in which the topic given as climate. So, before moving to the climate, I have already told you about the weather and what causes the weather, and now we have to move on to the climate. What is actually the climate is? What the actual climate is? Climate is weather pattern in a particular average weather pattern in a particular region for long period of time. This is the average weather pattern in a particular region for a long period of time. So what does it mean? It does mean, what is the meaning of this? This means that the conditions, the average conditions of the weather, the average condition of the weather, which has already been found in different sectors, in different regions or areas where the weather can be changed. After being some time, the weather changes takes place. So it is what? It is actually the average weather conditions are average weather pattern of a place for a long period of time. Average weather pattern of a place for a long period of time. This one is called as the climate. What are the different type of climates of a region, of a place is defined by whatever the amount of sunlight, whatever amount of the rainfalls, and whatever the winters can cause over there. This can be depended, very well, in the each sector, or you can say the region of the India, there are the different type of a climate. Why? Because due to having their weather conditions. Somewhere rainfall happens for a long time, somewhere rains happen for some time, somewhere is colder region for a long period of time, somewhere is dry region for a long period of time. So in each conditions, there is a climate play a very important role. The climate play a very important role for the conditions caused in the different regions. So for those purposes, here you can say not only in India, but there is in all the world, the climatic conditions is dependent, or it is a different types of a climate. You can see over here on the basis of a climate. It is divided into four more important categories. First one is polar climate. First one is a polar climate. So what is the polar climate? Polar climate is a climate where there are extreme cold cause. There is a extreme cold conditions. This region belongs to the extreme cold conditions, and the air has less amount of water, or you can say little amount of water content. The amount of water is very little or very less in that particular region. Why? Because if there is a ice remain for a most time, so in the air the water is present in the form of a vapors. So for being changed into vapor, it will take more and more time. Hence, there is less amount or little amount of water present in case of a air. So first one is called as a polar climate. Second one is called as a temperate climate. Temperate climate can be defined as this type of a climate shows not very hot and neither very cold condition. So it is what? It is actually the average conditions or average temperature might be, because of the not neither too hot neither too cold. This can show the average conditions. And in case of a summer, the temperature is not too high, and in case of a winter, the temperature is not too cold. This climate couldn't show the very hot and very cold conditions. Next to that, desert climate. Desert climate is the climate where there is small amount of water present in the air, and it always faces sunlight. Why? Because it is a hot and a dry. Hot and dry for most of the time. The temperate region is, the desert region is, our desert climate is very hot and dry. And next one is the polar, temperate, desert, and now next one is that is a tropical. Tropical climate are such type of a climate where there is always tropical is the type of a climate where there is always hot and humid condition caused. Hot and humid. Why? Because there is a hot and humid conditions caused due to what? Hot due to the always faces sunlight, as well as it can most faces the the rain too. Due to the rain, here is the humidity happens, and due to the sun's rays, it faces more and more hot. So the condition is extreme hot and humid, and there is, in case of a polar, that is an extreme cold. The two reasons are there are two climates over there. First one is extreme cold in a polar region, polar climate, and tropical climate, extreme hot and humid conditions. These two climates, the region of the earth will have extreme climatic conditions. These two climates on the earth shows the extreme climate conditions. Now we could see what are the factors that affect the climate. Factors that affect the climate. Let's see, the climate of a region depends on the climate of a region depends on many factors, and these factors are first. What are these factors actually? The first is the amount of sun's rays it obtains or it receives. The amount of sun's rays it receives. The most important is how much amount of the sun's rays falls on a particular surface of the earth. If there is amount of heat, particular earth for a long period of time, it will be hotter. If it is face more and more suns, it gets hotter and hotter. You can say the solar radiations increase the temperature during the day. Solar radiations always increase the temperature during the day and heats up the earth's surface. This is the surface of earth. It heats by the sun's rays which is false and resulting a hot day. So for that there is a resultant a hot day we can show. Next is on the contrary nights. On the contrary nights, they are colder due to what? Due to the decreased solar radiation during nights. It remains hot due to what? The sun's rays, but it will remain cold at the night. Why? Because due to not facing such amount of solar radiations. So the first reason is, or the first factor is, the second factor is whether the region is hilly or a plain. ये जो अमाउंट ऑफ सन है, चाहे वो कैसा हो, हिली हो या plain हो, this event can cause in both conditions. The second factor is what? That is distance from the sea. Second factor is distance from the sea. The second factor is how much distance from the sea due to why? If it is the coastal area are near to the sea, if the region or place is near to the sea, it will be more colder. Why? Because the coastal region always, the coastal areas always remain cold. Due to what? Due to the sea. Due to they are situated are near to the sea. If they are near to the sea, they can be a coastal region, and the coastal areas or the coastal region always what? They always cold. They always remain cold. Direction of parallel is the windows. The direction of windows always in the front of sea, that shows the colder region, or you can say windows from the seaside and brings the air or brings the rain to the coastal areas and dry weather to the inland areas. This one is the mostly the rains happen at that particular coastal region, but in a plain there is inland, there is a hot and might be some dry region. Next is ocean currents. Next is ocean currents. Ocean currents. This is another factor on which the climate depends, that is ocean currents. Warm ocean currents, if it is get warm, warm ocean current always faces what? The dry region and hotter region. If there is this current is hot, the climate will be always warm. And if it is colder, if it is very cold, if it is cold, so the region or the place will always be cold. So the important factor is always ocean currents too. Ocean current, if it is warm, it will be resulting in the warmer conditions. If it is cold, the colder condition it is. Next reason or next factor is the distance from the equator. Distance from the equator. How much distance from the equator? This will decide the conditions or climatic. Near the places near the equator are hotter. If the place which is near to the equator is still hotter, and it is distance from the equator, that is far from the equator, this will be cold. Why? Because in case of near area to the equator, this is sunlight more and more, and in the farthest area, it will not shows most of the sunlights. And last one is temperature and rainfalls. Fifth one, temperature rainfalls. If in a climate always a temperature and the rainfalls play a very important criteria, the factor on which the climate depends. If it is the rainy climate, so there is always rains happen. If there is a hot humid condition, so always the hot and the dry conditions cause. Like in polar area, always extreme cold conditions, and in case of desert area, always a hot and drier conditions. Okay, into the next video we'll continue. Thank you for watching.